Good afternoon, everyone. The secret of success is consistency of purpose. In any business organization, what is their main goal? It is to earn profit, generate sales, and have have a term in marketing share. And in some business, they enter global marketing. What is global marketing? Global marketing is about exporting goods and services to different places around the world. For example, Jollibee. We all know that Jollibee is made here in the Philippines. But now, it has a branch from New York, Singapore, and anywhere else around the world. So it's a one good example of global marketing. In 1993, Morgan Stanley analyzed the disaster risk, developed a multi-phased disaster plan. It affects 3,800 employees to evacuate from World Trade Building. Stanley still lost 13 people on September 5th, but many more could have died if the company had not solid disaster plan.